Would President Biden ever try to get out of a meeting by pulling a fire alarm?
Great word.
Are you talking about something specifically?
A Democratic member of Congress pulled a fire alarm.
What kind of shit is that?
Around a series of boats. No fire. Is that appropriate?
What I can tell you is I've not spoken to the president about this, and so just not going to comment. I would
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
leave it up to. I know there's a House process moving forward right now. I'll leave it to the House.
Okay. Since President Biden is so pro-union, is he okay with 75,000 healthcare workers possibly walking off the job this week?
What I can tell you is that, and I've said this many times already this morning, the president believes all workers, including healthcare workers, get out of here! Workers and those that make their work possible, they deserve a fair pay. And they deserve a fair benefit. That's what the president believes. He believes that collective bargaining works.
Oh, right.
That is, we've seen that play out in the past even couple of months. We think about the Teamsters. You think about the Teamsters and the UPS. You think about the West Coast ports, right? We see that play out.
Damn!